Hi and Assalamualaikum. First and foremost, I want to introduce myself, which is my name is ADLINA binti RAMUDIN, and followed by my members, which is Tengku Mama Akmal bin Tengku YUSOFF, with EZATUL SYAZWANA binti TURIMAN, and also SITI BALQIS binti MOHAMAD RAZI, and the last one, AISAH binti BENG. So today we want to present our final presentation for plant and machinery. I will start with project background. TYLIN International in Senior Berhad has been appointed as a developer for residents of Cyberjaya Development. So the objective of the project is to build a luxury residential place that gives comfort and can be considerable as affordable to everyone. Cyberjaya Development is freehold and international lots. Project Phase 1 and Phase 2 total build up 210 unit house for residents 2-story bungalow. So the double-story bungalow has 3560 square feet, 5 bedroom and 4 bathroom. And the construction duration also can be considered first around 1 to 2 years. And the price for double-story bungalow from lower RM310K until now RM510K, Bumiputra will get 5% discount. Alright, next we go for the organization company. We start with project manager, which is Tengku Muhammad Akmal, and go with me, myself, ADLINA, as a senior engineering. Next we go for the architecture, which is EZATUL SYAZWANA, and the engineering, which is SITI BALQIS, and the last one, QC engineering, which is AISAH.
Hi, I'm EZATUL SYAZWANA binti TURIMAN. So I will proceed to the importance of plant and machinery planning and its effect to completion time of construction projects. Plant and machinery are among the most crucial resources needed to complete the construction phase of a project. Construction industry professionals are aware that delays in the deployment of plant and machinery will unintentionally cause unnecessary delays in the project's smooth operation and will therefore affect how quickly construction projects will be completed. Since plant and machinery management differs significantly from the management of other construction resources, so good plant and machinery management practices should begin with a proper definition of plant and machinery and the associated management concept. Many construction companies rely heavily on rented equipment, but properly management was still necessary on job sites. Okay, proceed to the criteria demand important in the management of plant and machinery at the construction sites. So there are several most important and significant criteria which are plant and machinery maintenance that is systematic, availability of plant and machinery, choosing the best and most suitable plant and machinery, observance of rules and guidelines governing the use of plant and machinery, manager of specific plant and machinery operator training and education, and the last one, plant and machinery work schedules. Alright, next, the effect of completion time of construction projects. So the impact of effectively managing plant and machinery use on construction sites is more significant in influencing project completion time, and thus can lowering the percentage of uncompleted projects. So efficient and effective use of plant and machinery on construction sites can reduce the number of projects that cannot be completed on time or as specified in the contract between contractors and project owners. So how planning can affect the completion time of construction projects, which can ensure the projects are completed successfully, can reduce the accidents, influence the construction project's completion timeline, also reduce the amount of compensation given out as a result of accidents, and the last one, plant and machinery work schedules.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is SITI BALQIS. So right now I will proceed this presentation with 3.0, plant and machineries involved in every infrastructure works. And for my part, I will cover 3.1, earthwork activities. So earthwork activities includes, for example, site clearing, cutting and excavation, transport and moving, compaction and sloping. For site clearing, the plant and machineries involve bulldozers. Bulldozers is used to remove bushes, shrubs and small trees. And excavators is used to get rid of any logs, small trees and collect rocks. While tipper truck is used to transfer the massive amount of dirt to another location. And then for cutting and excavation, the plant involved are excavator and roller compactor. Roller compactor is used to compact dirt or gravel for building road and foundation. And for transport and moving, involve tipper truck and lorry. While for compaction, involve roller compactor. And last but not least, sloping involve excavator, bulldozer, and dump truck. So between these plant and machineries, the range cost is about 300 ringgit to 1,000 ringgit per day. And the most expensive machinery for earthwork activities are excavator, which is about 1,000 ringgit per day.
Next, plant and machinery infrastructure work. We go for the road and drainage construction work activities. Asphalt pavement, we have dump truck, asphalt paver, compactor roller. And for the process for precast concrete drain, we have excavator, loaded lorry, dump truck, and also compactor. For the process for box culvert, we have mobile crane, dump truck, loaded lorry, excavator, and also compactor. And for the road curb, we have excavator, dump truck, loaded lorry, compactor. And the last one, for some installation, we have excavator, dump truck, compactor, and also concrete mixture.
Assalamualaikum. My name is AISAH and I will explain about the plant and machineries involved in the water reticulation construction work activities. So, for survey, setting out and excavation of trench, the plant and machineries that are involved is excavator and dump truck. And then for laying pipes and fittings, the plant and machineries involved is mobile crane and excavator. For backfilling of pipe trench and compaction, the plant and machineries that involve are roller compactor and excavator. And for the testing of pipeline, the plant and machinery used are pressure gauge, pressure recorders, and pumps. The costing for total of the testing of pipeline is RM 2000.
For plant and machineries involved in every infrastructure works for sewerage construction work activities. The first one is for activities installing a residential sewer line. The machine that involved is trencher, dump truck, excavator, and also bulldozer. Okay, for the next activity, which is installation of manhole, there are two machines that involve, which are mobile crane for lifting activities, and also the excavator.
Now we're moving on with 4.0, plant and machineries involved in every structure works. So I will explain 4.1, excavation and foundation works. So the examples of excavation and foundation works are piling works and compacting the ground. For piling works, the plant and machineries involved are lorry, crane. Crane is used to lift the piles, and then hydraulic drop hammer, which is used to drive piles from one another to another location, and then excavator, and last but not least, pneumatic hammer, which is used to cut the piles. And for compacting the ground, roller compactor is used. So between these plant and machineries, the most expensive cost is hydraulic drop hammer, which is over 100,000 ringgit per day. So this is because the hydraulic drop hammer needs the supply of power source.
Plant and machinery involved in every structure work. From installation for all structure, we go for the beam and column, which is we have grinder and generator, also with mobile crane. But for the slab and staircase, we only have grinder and generator.
Next are the plant and machineries involved in every structure work for reinforcement of structure. So for beam, the plant and machinery used are mobile crane, 55 ton, and platform lorry. So the cost for this, total cost for the beam, plant and machineries are 3,100 per day. For column, the plant and machineries involved are mobile crane and platform lorry, which cost also the same, 3,100. And for the slab, the plant and machinery used are mobile crane and platform lorry, also have the same cost, which is 3,100. The staircase also use the same plant and machineries, which is mobile crane and platform lorry, and also have the same cost, which is 3,100 per day.
Okay, for plant and machineries involved in structure casting, for column and staircase, the machineries that involve are same, which is concrete mixers and platform lorry. And for beam, excavator, concrete mixers and platform lorry. And for slab casting, we have a vibrator, concrete mixer and also platform lorry.
Proceed to the plant and machineries of roofing works, which consists of lorry, includes driver, which 10 wheels, where the functions is a large vehicle used for road transportations of goods. For the activities on site, they typically used to transport roofing materials purchased from the manufacturer.
So for the discussion, it is important to select the most suitable plant and machinery. So usually a construction or building project involves a big labor that must be done by men using a tools that's specifically designed for the task at hand. So for civil engineers, selecting the right equipment is crucial for the quick and affordable construction of a project. So people choice play a role in the wide variety of commercially available devices. A few fundamental factors are taken into account when choosing the appropriate equipment. So there are a few factors to be considered, such as the first one is the size of the construction equipment. So a larger machinery will actually produce more when it is fully loaded, but its production costs when it is partially loaded are often high than those of smaller machinery. So for a larger unit of machinery, the service, maintenance and repairing facilities are also high in cost. So in this project, it is preferable to have identically sized equipment. So when it comes to standby, a larger size equipment is more expensive than the smaller size. The next factor to be considered are the type of development, because it is important to confirm that the project was either a low-rise or a high-rise building. Then the ability and the productivity of the plant and machinery must be taken into consideration. The next factor are suitability for job condition. So the equipment chosen should suit the condition of the job, the soil, the valley, and the working condition and the climate of the region. The last one are the labor consideration. So when there is a shortage of labor, a choice may be made to purchase a highly automated equipment. The choice of equipment may also be influenced by the availability or lack thereof of the skilled labor. Next one are the understanding on the economic of plant and machinery. So plant and machinery are a long-term asset that is vital to the construction operation. This is crucial to the success of the business, much like its technical management. So equipment selection is influenced by the economics of the plant and machineries, including the expenses of ownership, the operational labor, and running fuel. So in addition, the resale value of any purchased equipment is a key factor in plant and machinery economics. So the purpose of plant and machinery economics is to increase firm profits and to buy equipment at a reasonable prices and to prevent any waste such as time, energy, and thus it will help to reduce the cost of production. The next work plan for plant and machinery. So a work plan for plant and machinery is a strategy to carry out an organizational task and controlling the tools employed. A work plan offers a technique to organize the necessary construction work while putting an emphasis on innovation and ongoing improvement. So the project manager must have a true awareness of the overall strategic direction of the project in order to perform their duties effectively. So the description of work plan is it serves as the foundation for equipping plant and machineries with the knowledge necessary to plan how the equipment should be employed in a productive and efficient manner.
For work planning using Microsoft Project, basically by doing this Microsoft Project, it will help our team to monitor and discover for each work and also for each activity on site and for overall of the project. So the progress will always on the track and the project can be delivered based on the deadline. Okay, this is a preview for each work involved in Microsoft project. So the first, the title for our project is Construction Double Story Bungalow at Cyberjaya, Selangor Darul Ihsan. So the project start from the 5th of March 2022, and the duration of the project overall is for 217 days, and it will cost about 160,000. And our project will be finished on 31st of December 2022.
So finally, as a conclusion, we can summarize that the managing plant and machinery used in construction influencing the completion time of each project, which means if the management of plant and machinery is effectively organized, so the percentage of uncompleted works can be avoided and reduced. And in addition, the use of Microsoft Project help to keep track the total cost of machinery used on the project. So thus this proof that excellent usage of plant and machinery can reduce numbers of projects that cannot be completed at the right time. And that's all from our group. Thank you very much.